part 3 of my Valentine's Day 3-course meal, and it's got to be chocolate. I don't know about you, but I just think that Valentine's Day and chocolate pudding just go hand in hand. So this is going to be a delicious chocolate mousse. This is my 2nd year being vegan, and I just love chocolate. I love chocolate mousse, and you don't have to give it up just because you're going vegan. You can have the same kind of thing that you had pre-being vegan. So I'm going to show you how.
First of all, weigh out 150 grams of 70% dark chocolate. Fill a pan with boiling water. Make sure your bowl fits comfortably and the water doesn't touch the bottom of it when it's boiling, as I keep checking. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes of boiling to get your chocolate to melt nicely. And once it's melted, take it off the heat and let it cool. Next, for the Aqua Farber. What is Aqua Farber, you say? Well, it's the liquid part of a tin of chickpeas. You want to drain this, retaining the liquid, because that is the Aqua Farber. But you can use the chickpeas in the main that I've prepared before this video. Make sure that you drain as much of the liquid out as possible. Next, get a hand mixer and whisk the Aqua Farber. This is in place of egg whites. It acts very much like egg whites, but you can't over whisk it. So just keep going, and you want the consistency of white peaks. Then you want to gradually add 1 heaped tablespoon of caster sugar. Keep whisking as you go and make sure that you don't lose those white peaks. I'll lick that spoon later. Once you're happy that your chocolate has cooled, you can add the Aqua Farber and give it a mix. Don't be too vigilant with your mixing, just give it a nice circular stir just to combine the two. Then you can get a dish or a bowl to serve this up in. I'm just going to serve them in these cute little glasses that I got. I actually got these from a charity shop for about 50p each, and I absolutely love them. I'd say that you can fill 2 of these, or if you use a smaller container then you would be able to get 4 out of this, but I was just being a greedy guts. Next, put them in the fridge for a minimum of 2.5 hours. When you get them out, you can cover them in even more chocolate shavings, and I'm adding some cranberries and some walnuts and some cashew nuts. There's so many other things that you could add. You could even put some squirty cream on there, or anything really. And look at it. It tasted a million times better than what I was expecting. It was so good. I'm definitely gonna make this in the future.